One of the things I said I would mention later would be how multiplexing works in layer 4, and the way that it's done is through something called sockets. Now, what's a socket? You've probably heard of sockets. At one time there was a kind of a popular poem going around that said if Dr. Seuss wrote technical manuals, and it started out, if a packet hits a pocket on a socket on a port and the bus is interrupted as a very last resort and the address of the memory makes your floppy disk abort, then the socket packet has an error to report, and it went on and on from there. Okay, so this socket, what in the world is that about? Well, a socket is an IP address plus a port number. It looks something like this. So here's an IP address, 2142.51.6, and then we have a colon, and then a port number. In this case, I have 446 as the port number. This whole thing is a socket. Now, by labeling each segment with a socket number, then all of the different conversations that are going on between the sender and the receiver can be kept separate, because this socket is going to be unique for each one of those conversations. So I can send them all across the same wire and just let the receiver sort them out based on this socket number here. And that really is how this works. So by doing that, I'm really multiplexing. I'm doing multiple conversations on the line at the same time by using this sort of code division multiplexing type of multiplexing in order to separate those conversations back out at the other end.